So they want us to find the voltage V across the 4 ohms resistor using superimposition theorem. So basically for superimposition theorem, it just wants you to off one particular source and then find out how the source that is still on interacts with this voltage, and then vice versa. So let's just start with it. First we're going to off the 6 volt and then leave the 3 amps. To off a voltage source, you simply just short it. So just imagine just the wire there. So it's going to be something like this. And here is a 3 amp source. So now to simply find the voltage that will be here, we can do current divider rule first. Then when we find the current at this position, we cannot just do resistance times current to get the voltage here. So using current division rule, we say 8 over, just remember current division, you use the opposite of the resistor you want to find the current across. 8 over 4 plus 8 times the current source. So that's current across 4 ohms is equals to 2 amps. And so therefore the voltage there is 2 times 4, which is equals to 8 volts. Now you can also actually use nodal analysis if you want to. You can just make here V as it to be, if you want to do it, you can do it. Now you can off the 3 amps. To turn off a current source, you open circuit it. So in this case, this is still the voltage source will come back here. It's going to be the resistors, and then in this case, you're just going to have an open circuit. So basically, there's nothing there. It's going to be 4 ohms. And we're trying to find the voltage here at this point. Now to find the voltage here, this is a voltage divider circuit. So we can use VDR, voltage divider rule. So it's going to be 4. That is where we want to find the voltage. 4 over 8 plus 4 times the total voltage there. So that's voltage, that's V we're looking for actually. So it's going to be equals to 2 volts. And so therefore the total voltage, you can make here I bar bar and then I bar. So then the total voltage is going to be VI bar V bar plus V bar bar, which is equal to 10 volts. So the total voltage is 10 volts. Thank you for listening.